Today we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency, a digital form of currency that's been making waves in the financial world. If you're new to the concept of cryptocurrency, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be giving you a beginner's guide and introduction to the world of cryptocurrency. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Well, it's a decentralized form of digital currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate independently of any central authority. This means that transactions can be made directly between users without the need for intermediaries like banks. One of the most well-known cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique features and uses. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of how cryptocurrencies work, how to buy and store them, and some key terms you'll need to know to navigate this exciting new world. Understanding cryptocurrency is important because it represents a shift towards a more decentralized and transparent financial system. It offers new opportunities for financial inclusion and innovation, but it also comes with risks and challenges that every investor should be aware of. By the end of this video, you can expect to have a solid understanding of what cryptocurrency is, how it works, and how you can get started investing in it. In the early 2000s, an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin, the first decentralized cryptocurrency, to the world. This marked the beginning of a revolution in the way we think about money and finance. Since then, the cryptocurrency market has exploded, with thousands of different digital currencies now in existence. As with any new technology, there are both challenges and opportunities associated with diving into the world of cryptocurrency. One of the main challenges for beginners is understanding the complex technical concepts behind cryptocurrencies, such as blockchain technology and cryptography. Without a solid grasp of these fundamentals, it can be easy to get lost in the sea of information available online. Another common obstacle for newcomers is the volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Prices can fluctuate wildly in a short period of time, making it a risky investment for those who are not prepared for the ups and downs. Additionally, the lack of regulation in the cryptocurrency space can make it difficult to know who to trust and where to turn for reliable information. Despite these challenges, there are also many opportunities for those willing to take the plunge into the world of cryptocurrency. With the potential for high returns on investment and the ability to participate in a truly decentralized financial system, cryptocurrency offers a unique chance to be part of the future of money. By arming yourself with knowledge and staying informed about the latest developments in the cryptocurrency world, you can navigate these challenges and seize the opportunities that this exciting new technology has to offer. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey, buckle up and get ready to explore the world of cryptocurrency like never before. Here are some crypto basics. 1. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital form of currency that uses cryptography for security. It operates independently of any central authority, allowing for direct peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries like banks. 2. How cryptocurrency works. Transactions are recorded on a decentralized digital ledger called a blockchain. Each transaction is verified by a network of computers, ensuring transparency and security. For example, when you send Bitcoin to someone, the transaction is added to a block on the blockchain and cannot be altered. 3. Popular cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are some of the most well-known cryptocurrencies. Each has its own unique features and uses. For instance, Ethereum allows for the creation of smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. 4. Buying and storing. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency can be purchased on online exchanges using traditional currency. Once bought, it is stored in a digital wallet, which can be either hot, connected to the internet, or cold, offline for added security. Think of a digital wallet as a virtual bank account for your cryptocurrencies. 5. Risks and rewards. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, with prices fluctuating rapidly. While this volatility can lead to significant gains, it also poses risks for investors. It's important to do thorough research and only invest what you can afford to lose. 6. Future of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has the potential to revolutionize the financial industry by offering faster, more secure, and more transparent transactions. As more businesses and individuals adopt cryptocurrencies, the technology is expected to continue evolving and shaping the future of finance. By understanding these basics, you'll be well equipped to start your journey into the world of cryptocurrency. There is a debate surrounding the decentralization of cryptocurrencies. Proponents argue that decentralization offers greater security and privacy, as transactions are not controlled by a single entity. On the other hand, critics raise concerns about the lack of regulation and potential for illegal activities in decentralized systems. There is an impact on traditional financial systems by the introduction of cryptocurrencies. Some experts believe that cryptocurrencies have the potential to disrupt traditional banking systems by offering faster and more cost-effective ways to transfer money globally. However, others warn of the risks associated with this disruption, such as increased volatility and regulatory challenges. When it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies, there are differing opinions on the best approach. Some advocate for a long-term investment strategy, holding on to cryptocurrencies for extended periods to ride out market fluctuations. Others prefer a more active trading approach, taking advantage of short-term price movements to generate profits. Recent events, such as the rise of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and the increasing acceptance of cryptocurrencies by mainstream companies like Tesla, have brought new attention to the potential applications of blockchain technology beyond just digital currencies. This raises the question of how cryptocurrencies will continue to evolve and integrate into various industries in the future. We've covered a lot of ground in our beginner's guide to the world of cryptocurrency. From understanding the basics of how cryptocurrencies work to exploring the risks and rewards of investing in digital assets, you now have a solid foundation to start your journey into this exciting and dynamic space. Remember, cryptocurrency is more than just a form of digital currency. It represents a shift towards a decentralized and transparent financial system that offers new opportunities for innovation and financial inclusion. By staying informed and being aware of the challenges and opportunities in the cryptocurrency market, you can navigate this evolving landscape with confidence. There is an importance of understanding blockchain technology, the significance of storing your cryptocurrencies securely in digital wallets, and the need to approach cryptocurrency investment with caution and diligence. Whether you're looking to diversify your investment portfolio, explore new ways to transact digitally, or simply learn more about this cutting-edge technology, the world of cryptocurrency offers endless possibilities for growth and exploration. I encourage you to continue your learning journey by subscribing to our channel for more insightful content on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with others who may benefit from this beginner's guide. Engage with us in the comments section below to share your thoughts, experiences, and questions about cryptocurrency. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the world of cryptocurrency. Stay curious, stay informed, and embrace the opportunities that this innovative technology has to offer. Until next time, happy investing and exploring in the world of cryptocurrency.